Everyone, y'all see Miss Pearl. She is absolutely gorgeous. She had to come over and introduce herself to me while I was out there doing my stretches with her mommy and her daddy. So get in the comment section and say hey to Miss Pearl. So today we're starting with the standing cable pull through. For this exercise, you don't want to be too close to the machine or you won't be able to get your full range of motion, but you also don't want to be too far away because if you are, that weight will definitely pull you back into the rack. So I took a couple of steps out, and you want to make sure that your elbows kind of try to get to your thighs, reach in between, and you pull. Now for the seated one, it's the same motion. The difference is the seated gives you more range of motion, so I get to actually hinge back much more. So I definitely felt this one more so in my glutes. And then for my knee protection, I just like to use a mat on the ground because you're putting all your weight through and you don't want to be rotating on your knees if you have any knee issues. There are so many variations to the cable kickback, but for this, I'm just doing a traditional one. What I don't want to do is let my heel go higher than my buttocks, and I'm not using momentum to get my leg up. I'm actually squeezing my glute and lifting from there. The sumo squat deadlift combo is one of my favorite combo exercises to do with the cables. I make sure my feet are more than shoulder width apart and I duck my feet out, and I'm able to sit deep into that squat with no pressure on my knees because I'm using enough weight to pull me forward, and I really get to focus on the motion. So this combo here is gold. When doing abduction exercises, my toe should actually be facing inward, and I didn't realize until I was editing that it's facing out. When it faces inward, you're targeting your upper glute. With me facing it out, I more so was targeting my thigh. And then this is the adduction where I swing my foot in front. That is to target your inner thigh, and that's, it's hard to target that area, but this is a great exercise for that. My least favorite part of the exercise has always been the stretching, but now that I've been going to the gym regularly all year and also working with the weights, I actually look forward to the stretching part, and I never thought I would. Like, who am I? Make sure you guys thumbs this video up and comment down below if you have any exercises you would like to see, if you would like to add anything or have any questions. Definitely hit me down below, and we will do this again next time, y'all.